Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here an amazing investment opportunity, which is this newly built two-story residential complex with 5 units for sale. This complex boasts 3 two-bedroom units and 2 one-bedroom units located just off Lady Musgrave Road and in close proximity to AC Hotel, New Kingston and Halfway Tree. Ideal income earner, these units can be rented out for either short or long-term rentals while living in Kingston's prime Golden Triangle. A ready-made development with almost immediate income earning capabilities is unheard of. Take advantage of this deal today. Guys, let's take a look at this complex and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this complex is US 850,000 or Jamaican $130.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.